Welding temperature sensors is a delicate process, and common problems like inconsistent temperature control or poor weld quality can lead to defective products and customer complaints. The TATE PT100 welding machine is designed to solve these issues. With its real-time temperature monitoring and intelligent heat control, our machine ensures precise adjustments during the welding process, eliminating the risk of overheating or underheating that can damage sensitive components. Whether you're working with PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, or thermocouples, the TATE PT100 guarantees high-quality welds every time, improving sensor performance and durability. The TATE PT100 not only increases welding precision, but also reduces production costs and enhances productivity by minimizing downtime and defects. As the original manufacturer, we provide unmatched quality and dedicated customer service. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more details, email info@oktate.com.